Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this Homeika dog grooming kit. This does come with the 8 pet grooming tools. It has a 1.5 liter container to hold the dog hair. This is the grooming kit with a nail grinder, paw trimmer, brush, and de-shedding. Alright, so right here we have our all-in-one pet grooming kit. This is offered in several different colors. You've got white, green, and pink. I happen to purchase the white one with the purple. So this one here is a great tool to have, especially if you have any animals that have long hair that sheds a lot. So first off, in this box you can see that we do have the grooming tools. They have 3 adjustable suction modes. This is easy captured 90% of the pet's hair. It has low noise design, makes your pet love grooming. So this one here is to clean up all the hair from you once you're done cleaning your pet. They have more guidance combs for different pets. So these one here will snap onto the hose. They do have a little snap. So this one right here is the actual brush. And then this is the one you will use to brush your animal. And then you push this right here to remove the brush. You use it to brush your dogs like this, and then when you want to get rid of the hair, you click that so it'll pop back in and it removes the hair and it'll get sucked in to the vacuum. So that's what the brush looks like. And then now we get the side tool. This also helps with suctioning up hair that falls loose on your floor. Now we have the de-shedding tool. This is the de-shedding tool. So if you're not wanting to brush your hair, you just need to de-shed the dogs. This is a great tool to have. Again, they do have the teeth. You have to make sure you push it in, push down to lock it in place. If not, this will come back. So when you're de-shedding, all you have to do is click that button and it should remove the hair into the vacuum. And it'll show you the instructions right here on the top. When you push it out, you push it down to lock it in place. So now we're going to get to the bottom where the other tools in the vacuum are. So you can see we do have a traveling bag. We have some tools inside the vacuum. So this is a nice traveling bag for all your accessories. So you could put all your accessories in here, including the brushes and the clippers. You can see this opens all the way up if you just unzip it to the bottom. So it's a nice little carrying bag to take with you, especially if you're on your way and your dog needs to be cleaned. So this all-in-one pet grooming kit is user-friendly. It's a time saver. It provides 8 different grooming tools, 6 different size guides, combs, and multiple scenarios. So here's your packaging list and your user guide. You've got the vacuum, you've got the hose, you've got a travel bag, the power cord, you've got your brush, you have your de-shedding tool, your brush, your clippers, you've got a nail grinder in here, you've got another thing to clean the paw pet area, and then you've got all your little clips here at the bottom, and then you've got the installation process, how to use the accessories. So this explains everything on how to use this. So this does come with a 5-foot hose, the grooming brush and de-shedding brush. You've got a long head nozzle and cleaning brush, electric clipper and pet paw trimmer. So this is the hose. You've got a nail grinder and 6 sides guide combs, sponge filter and user manual. You got a large size storage, which is a 1.5 liter. So this is the de-shedding tool. When you want to get it off, you just push this little button right here. So we're going to move those aside and get into the other accessories. So the input is 120 volt. The power is 300 watt. So here is the clippers themselves. These clippers are really nice. They give you more guidance combs for different pets. You got a 3mm, 6mm, 9, 12, 18, and 23mm. So this is easy. It just tells you to twist and turn. So there, you twist it and turn it, it removes. So once you cut it, the hair will go on the inside right here. It'll go right into the clippers and out through the hose. So you don't got to worry about when you clip your dog's hair that it'll have mess all over the floor. It'll go right into the vacuum, which is a nice thing to have. Right here is the button to turn it on. As you can tell, they're not that loud. It's got a nice little grip. So we're going to make our way into the vacuum to go through the rest of the accessories. So now let's take it out. So now that we have the vacuum taken out, we're going to remove all the contents. So the power cord is about 8.7 feet long, so you'll have enough cord. This is a standard 110 plug. So you would think to take it off from here, which you don't. You'll go into the front of the vacuum. There's a little button that's gray that will release the container. So here's your power, and this right here is your mode. So you got low, medium, and high. So this gray button you push right here. This will remove the tank. And then you can see first off right here is the filter. So this is removable. It does come with an extra filter. You just lift this up and it's got like a little tiny filter right here. So it gets all the hair, nothing comes out. So then this one right here is the other trimmer. So it'll trim the dog's paw pads. You've got your Type-C charging port. So this here will charge up the clippers. And then you've got a little brush to clean that out. Then you have another filter that's included. And then you have the nail grinder. So you can also do your dog's nails while you're brushing them. And then you have the combs, which they come in 3mm, 6mm, 9mm, 12, 18, and 23. So you get a lot of guides right here. And then you get this little container that it holds about 1.5 liter. So you've got enough storage in here for your dog's hair. So make sure you line it up. So this little hole right there goes to the bottom, and you do have another filter here. You just twist it if you need to replace it. So we're going to twist it, pull it out. You can see there is your filter, HEPA filter. Just put it back in there. Now we'll grab the canister, put the canister back in there. So then make sure the filter is in there. That is upside down, so I need to turn it around. So you see that little hook at the bottom that needs to go on the bottom. That's where it sucks in all the hair. Push it in there, push it down, and it should lock into place. And then when you want to take it out again, you push that button. So there is the bottom of the vacuum. It's got little feet in there so it doesn't move around. And then you got a little vent out here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this all ready to do my dogs. So first off, we're going to connect the hose, and then the hose we're going to connect a brush. So right now we've already connected the hose, and then we're going to connect this into the de-shedding tool. So I'm going to go ahead and de-shed my dog. Since I have huskies, they shed a lot. So let's make our way to the dog and start using the shedding tool. As you can see, this is the hair that I'm getting from the de-shedding tool. So now I'm going to grab the comb and start using the comb. I'm going to snap it in here. Make sure it snaps. And this one here should cover the whole dog. Let's go ahead and get into that right now. You can see that my dog is enjoying this brush. It's not too loud. In fact, they love it. This Homeika pet grooming kit with the super quiet vacuum functions can collect up to 90% of the pet fur. You can see that it is a great job for sucking up the fur. And then the tub itself, we had to clean it out 3 times because it got a lot of this dog hair. So this vacuum comes with 8 tools that does great for help cleaning your pet. I would highly recommend if you're looking for a pet grooming vacuum that does a really great job of sucking up the hair. It's got every tool that you need to make sure that your dog is fully groomed, especially a de-shedding tool. If you have a dog that sheds a lot, I would highly recommend checking out this Homeika pet grooming kit. It's definitely a plus.